The Patty Disney Center for Life and Work is pleased to introduce Compass at CalArts, your fast and easy connection to employers, internships, on-campus opportunities, workshops, advising, and more. You can access Compass by going to compass.calarts.edu in any browser. You can also access Compass by looking in the G Suite menu options connected to your CalArts email account. Scroll down to find the blue Compass logo. On the main login page, you will see a login for students and alumni, employers, and faculty and staff. Students have already been imported into the system and will select the current student's single sign-on option to be taken to their Compass home screen. Alumni will have the option to register for Compass by creating an account on the right half of the screen. Once on the Compass home screen, you will see a vertical menu of options on the left side of the screen. The job board has several features that allow jobs relevant to your education and skill set to be promoted specifically to you. You can view the most recently published jobs, jobs expiring soon, and trending jobs. To save a job to your favorites list, click the star. Your public profile is what employers will see. Here you can add a headshot, personal statement, a link to your online portfolio, and highlight projects and experiences you'd like to have advertised. Remember to hit Publish when you are ready for this to be visible to employers. Under the Documents tab, you can upload resumes, cover letters, writing samples, and more to store in your Compass profile. Under the Events tab, you can register for upcoming events and workshops hosted by the Center for Life and Work. Either RSVP directly or click the workshop title that links to more information. If you would like to receive advising from a member of the Center for Life and Work, select the Counseling Appointment option on the left side menu. Request new appointment. First, select the appointment type from our pre-programmed menu. You will see the estimated time for each appointment type in parentheses. Be sure to select your date range and time range, the staff member who pops up, and select Check Availability. You can then select the appointment time you'd like to choose and submit request. To cancel or reschedule an appointment, go to the Appointments page, click the 3 vertical dots, and select the reason why you are canceling. Remember, you can always email the Center for Life and Work with any questions at clw@calarts.edu. We hope you enjoy Compass at CalArts.